Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use Weebly to make a website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you're going to go ahead and open up the official Weebly website right here at weebly.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we can get started registering for an account. So in the upper right corner, you'll have the option to go ahead and create an account if you do not already have one. And if you have one, you can just go ahead and log into it normally. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by the main page where we can get started with setting up our website. So the first thing it's going to open up is a menu where you can select what you want to sell, how you want your project to look like, your website design, and so on, everything to get started. And once you have set it up, first it's going to go ahead and lead you to this main page right here where we are at now, where as you can see at the left side of the screen you can find all the sections we can access, such as overview, website items, and so on, to get started managing our website. Basically guys, this is it. So from here you can go ahead and continue with editing everything regarding your website. You can see set them by your domain, you can connect the payment gateway if you have a shop, and so on, and you can go ahead and manage it how it looks. So by clicking the website option, it's going to enable you to open up the edit option where you can get started with editing your website, how it looks, you can customize it, your theme, select anything you want to know, and basically all the options you can manage are from here. So as you can see, the editing site option right here is right here. That's going to go ahead and open up the site design mode where you can go and select your theme, how it looks, and so on. And once you're satisfied with the preview of your website and you like how it looks and you want to publish it, all you're going to do is just click the publish button right here in the upper right corner and get started with using your website. And basically that's it. So go ahead and explore it for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.